Hello friends, I am Nikhil Chaurasia. Welcome to my new video. Now today my topic is waste heat recovery system. In a cement plant, nearly 35% heat is lost primarily from the preheater and cooler waste gases. This energy can be trapped by installing a waste heat recovery power plant. Exhaust gas heat, which is discarded from various plants into the atmosphere at 250 degrees Celsius to 350 degrees Celsius, is recovered by a boiler to generate electricity in steam turbine. Power generation is possible without additional fuel, contributing to factory energy saving. This introduced in large cement plants and steel factories where energy consumption is particularly large. Benefits of WHRS. Direct benefits. Recovery of waste heat has a direct effect on the efficiency of the process. This is reflected by reduction in the utility consumption cost and process cost. Indirect benefits. Reduction in pollution. A number of toxic combustible gases such as carbon monoxide, sour gas, carbon black of gases, oil sludge, and other plastic chemicals, etc., releasing to atmosphere if when burnt in incinerators, serves dual purpose, recovers heat and reduces the environmental pollution levels. Reduction in equipment sizes. Waste heat recovery reduces the fuel consumption, which leads to reduction in the flue gas produced. This results in reduction in the equipment sizes of the all flue gas handling equipments such as fans, stacks, ducts, burners, etc. To reduce operating cost. By recycling and reusing the waste heat energy, there will be less consumption of fuel, reduce the operating cost of industry to make huge saving and earn high profit. By switching to the most energy efficient technology available, companies can make huge savings and significantly reduce environmental impact. To other words, industry will gain higher profit. Increased demand. In the World Energy Outlook report, the International Energy Agency IEA predict energy demand to increase by 45% over the next 20 years to challenge and face higher energy prices. Day by day, prices of fossil fuel and other sources of energy are increasing. Therefore, if energy is not saved and conserved by adopting various technologies including the waste heat recovery method. Main construction contents of WHRS. General flow chart of power plant, SPAQC boiler, water supply system of boiler, steam turbine and generator system, circle cooling water system of power plant. Electric system used by power plant, automation control system, steam, water and water switch system in outdoor, pipe network, lighting, firefighting, security and other accessory system. Basic concept of WHRS. The waste heat recovery power plant for the cement plants consists of two waster recovery boiler, a PH boiler and a QC boiler. Both of switch boiler are installed in the waste gas line. The PH boiler recovers waste heat from the preheater used for preheating raw materials. Boiler inlet gas temperature is 320 degrees Celsius. The AQC boiler waste heat from the air quenching cooler that quenches banked clinker. Boiler inlet gas temperature is 360 degrees Celsius. A new gas take-off point is installed at high gas temperature side on the AQC for high efficiency. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.